is Gabrielle Garcia. I teach at Washington Elementary. I've been there 13 years. We've had our garden up and running in the last, the recent couple of years. I teach kindergarten, but we actually do garden club for 3rd through 6th grade. So that way we can really get some things done and get those kids motivated while they understand what's going on and get the whole process of where their food comes from. And so, we want to start while they're in the elementary years, where they get to not only use it at school, but then take that learning and share it with their family. And especially if their family are also plant people, they'll say, oh, well, my mom has this plant at home. Can we plant one in the garden? And so then they also get to bring their home life to school and see it last for years to come, especially if they're from the area. They get to walk by the garden. It's easily visible from the street. They get to see, oh, that's the plant I planted. And so even if they're not at our school anymore, they still get to enjoy the garden. For the district to invest so much time and thought, it really shows a dedication to their understanding in the health of the children, also the issues that we have with global warming and things like that. Because even though this is a small project, it definitely goes on to show that it will encourage the kids to plant more green things, which will then, of course, have a larger impact. And very much like myself, who had a parent who was very into gardening, these kids who have that influence from school shows that they will too then grow up and tell their children and so on and so forth. And so when the district is putting that in there, it's showing they're catering not just to the here and the now, but to the future, and not just from the academic, but also to the social and to the global. So it really does have a great impact on where their priorities lie in the whole child and not just in test scores. So we really do appreciate all the effort they're putting in.